Mother Nature is the clear mirrors of our inner quality inside. The good news from my ashram in the high mountain, northern part of Bali, bee keep not only visiting me but also touching my body. Of course, the bee did not bite me, but touching my body very, very often. The famous physicist Albert Einstein once said, as soon as the bee disappear on earth, human race will also disappear. In Hinduism, bees is the symbol of Vishnu, God, one of the manifestations of God. Buddha himself is reincarnation of Vishnu according to Hindu's holy scripture. And in the wisdom, on the path of wisdom, bees symbolize the wisdom. And wisdom is the mothers of unconditional love. That is the reason why bee keep touching my body here in ashram, in the high mountain northern part of Bali.